Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power. Do it now and don't skip verification. Once the breaker is off, check the fixture with a tester to confirm 0 volts. That prevents shocks. Put on gloves to protect glass and use a stable ladder positioned under the tube. Prepare the replacement tube that matches length and wattage. Orientation matters for bipin tubes, so note which end faces the starter or ballast. Make sure the area below is clear so you can work without obstruction. You now remove the old tube by holding it near the ends and rotating it a quarter turn. That releases the pins from the sockets. Once free, lower the tube straight down. Keep both hands on it to avoid dropping. If there's a diffuser or cover, take it off first by undoing the clips or screws so you can access the tube easily. If the tube breaks, collect shards with thick gloves and place them in a rigid container. Never sweep with bare hands for safety. You fit the new tube by aligning the bipin ends with the sockets and inserting both ends evenly, then rotate it a quarter turn until it locks. Once seated, replace the diffuser or cover and climb down to restore power at the breaker. Watch the tube. Stable, full brightness means success. If it flickers or refuses to light, make sure pins are fully engaged, then swap the starter or test the ballast. Those are the common failure points. If uncertainty remains, call a qualified electrician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.